Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you some questions and you have to reply. Yes.
Do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Yeah,
Speak in the mic, yeah.
Yes, I have more than one pair of sunglasses. I usually wear them depending upon if I have to wear them for eyesight, but in some cases I usually wear in the sunlight to keep my eyes safe from the UV radiations of sunlight. So yeah, I have
Yeah.
a pair of sunglasses.
Good.
How often do you wear them?
I usually wear them during studies or whenever my eyes feel pain due to studying. So yeah, I wear sunglasses during studies or sometimes in sunlight.
Okay, sometimes when I'm in the open air or when
Open
I'm
air.
in the sun and
Yeah.
I just wear
Whenever
glasses.
I use need to protect my
Good.
eyes.
So you just
Yeah.
need to organize your answer
Yeah.
and try to use different words for each answer. And different words will be used when you will come up with different ideas.
Yeah.
So try to elaborate each question. Although the topic is same,
Yeah.
questions look somewhat similar. But when you answer, try to elaborate in a different way. Take a different direction, because when you take a different direction, your vocabulary, sentence structure, everything will be changed.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you ever get a pair of sunglasses as a gift?
No, actually, I didn't got them.
I didn't get them.
Oh, yeah, I didn't get them as a gift, but yeah, I would love if somebody would give me this as a gift because they help me during my activities, daily activities. But yeah, to your answer, I didn't got them. Didn't get
I
them
have not received
I
any
have not-
sunglasses as gift as yet.
as yet.
But in future,
I would love to get one.
That's good. That's good. So you need to focus tenses also.
Okay.
Something you have not experienced so far. For that, you will use present perfect tense.
Okay, sir.
So again, 5 tenses are important: present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect continuous.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
This is just the beginning. Gradually, when you are familiar, when you understand the pattern of the question and the pattern of your answer, you'll be fine with it.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Thank you.